step, the clock is ticking.
This is Adnan Khan and welcome to my YouTube channel Just Hubert. So guys, today I'm finally gonna take delivery of my new Royal Enfield bike. So let's go to the showroom and take the delivery. So let's begin. Guys, I'm here at Palladium Royal Enfield. So you can see the various Royal Enfield bikes standing over here. So let's take delivery of our bike.
In the beginning, there was time. No room for darkness to take place. Calling for the light. In the mystery of life.
Bike, the new classic 350, the dual channel ABS model. This bike has front as well as the rear disc. The braking on this is very good. The suspension are good as well. So this bike is good for city commuting as well as for long rides. So this is more efficient than the classic 500. So this bike has the retro charm with the modern amenities like ABS. Uh, the suspensions on this is very good. As you can see, I'm driving on very bad roads but I still can't feel any of them. The seat is comfortable as well. This bike doesn't heat much in the city traffic, and the bike is not with comes with much features, not very informative display, but the bike feels very good while driving. It's very comfortable. It's more economic than the other 350cc bike. It returns of mileage of about 38 to 40 kilometer. So